this is Lynn with MI Tinker, and I wanted to share with you this video that we're doing today, which is repairing this Fieldstone foundation. It's well over 100 years old. It's probably almost 140 years old, and it has been patched over time. This area here is somebody's patch. There is now crumbling, and we need to get that fixed so that it stays sturdy and strong for another 100+ years. So please join me today for fixing this stone wall foundation. I wanted to show you all the debris that I swept off the floor. This is a 50-gallon trash can that is completely full. The mortar is just crumbling to pieces. Here's some of the tools you'll need, and don't forget your dust mask and safety glasses. Very much needed. Now, if you get these rocks coming out, don't worry about that. The small ones, you're going to use these later for fillers, so save these in a bucket. So what Kate is doing is she is wetting I'm getting a little bit of that. She's wetting down the cement, and she's going to brush off all the loose. And then we're going to start filling at the top and come down. Now, one of the things that is good to remember is that probably when this was built, they would put sand as a center fill to the two sides of the foundation. So what we're seeing is a lot of sand material feeding out, and we want to try and keep as much of that center sand in as possible, so that we keep the entire pack. But where we're now finding voids, we will fill that with as much of the mortar as possible. So we're just about ready to start our first mortar patch, and Kate's getting it all set. Kate is working on getting 20 pounds of the mortar mix into the pan, and you can use any kind of pan you like. And that looks like about 20 pounds. And we're going to use 2 cups or 16 ounces of binding agent per 20 pounds, and mix it in with the mortar, and then add our water. And we're gonna mix it to about the consistency of peanut butter. Good?
Yeah.
Now what we'll do is take a dowel and use it as a push stick, and just keep pushing it in to get it as deep as we can in the crevice.
Well, I never used this before. Wouldn't even know what this was if I saw it at a garage sale.
Bricklayer's tool. Helps push it deep into the cracks and leave a nice line.
Yeah, I can see it right there working well. Try out a dry sweep here to get it smooth, get all the bumps off. Maybe get some of the clumps off, and to give it a nice, smooth looking finish. I'm curious, would we want to rinse this off and clean these up a little, or does that not matter?
I think it's all a matter of aesthetics.
Aesthetics. I love how they look when they, just the natural stone pops out from the
mortar.
Yeah.
this is our finished result after 80 pounds of mortar and about 4.5 hours of work. We got a lot done and it looks really good. If you have this repair to do at your house, it's very doable. If you like working with clay, this is kind of like working with clay. Just have your work clothes and gloves and trowels and you're ready to go. Looks really good.